So today I bring to you another mudra. It's called Varuna Mudra. It's the mudra of water. As we know, our fingers are related to the elements. So a small finger is related to water element. In this, we touch our small finger with the thumb and we keep the other three fingers stretched out. You can place it on the knee if you're sitting, and if you're lying down, you can just place it on the side. You can do practice while walking, sitting, anytime. And this mudra can be performed for any duration in any time of the day. So in this mudra, the benefits are immense. It purifies your blood. It checks the water imbalance. If there's a water imbalance, you feel heaviness due to lack of water, sort of with heaviness due to a lot of water in the body, or you feel dehydrated. It corrects anything related to water. It purifies your blood. It's good if you're suffering from indigestion, constipation. It's good for skin in winters if you feel your skin is drying out. It moisturizes your skin. So perform this mudra and reap the benefits. It also increases agility in the body, and you're feeling scanty in urination, scanty in your menstrual cycle. It will correct that as well. So perform this mudra and reap the benefits. As I said, mudras are gestures, they are seal. So you have to perform it for a certain number, maybe 5 to 10 minutes in a day, and reap the benefits. Thank you for watching me.